right now does not matter so much. The results you have right now does not matter so much because they are the result of the past. They are the result of past fears, past thoughts, past karma. So it does not matter. All you have to do is nurture the thoughts you have right here, right now. Right here, right now, what you see does not matter so much. It's past result translating here, right now. So if you want the future results to mimic what you have in your mind, you have to think the right thoughts here and now. Have the good imaginal acts. Let go of negative emotions. Cultivate positive emotions and live in the end. Don't care so much about what you see here right now. Care more about what is inside. Nurture it, cultivate it. It's all in the head. Whatever you see here and now that you don't like, a lot of it indirectly is your responsibility, your fault, quote unquote. You have to improve yourself. If you do not like what you see, you have to change the alignment you have with your actions, your thoughts, and your speech. You have to guard your speech, guard your mind, and also take actions that are aligned with what you want. So you don't need to complain about your circumstances right now. Start by cultivating from the inside out. The only thing you need to do is guard your thoughts. The rest is a bonus. Now you can visualize, you can script and do all the other methods if you want and if they are to your liking. However, your thoughts are the most important thing because you cannot really spend a day without having thoughts. So you have to reverse all the negative thoughts. You have to plant the right thoughts. There's nothing wrong with affirming whatever you want robotically all day, all night. Why? Because you are just planting the right seed. It's better to do this than the alternative, which is letting your mind go wild and having all sorts of negative thoughts that go against your wish fulfilled. Ooh, I love this one. It's amazing. I think it resumed the law of attraction in all its essence. When it comes to the law of attraction, you need to be poised, you need to be composed. It's not only about changing your thoughts. That's important too. As he said, right thought is mastery. But you also need to be calm, serene, and have the self-control to have the discipline to let go of those negative emotions, to not feed them with more negative thoughts. So once you have a negative thought, you reverse it. Once you have a negative emotion, you let go of it. You stay calm. You relax your body and your mind will relax. Therefore, negative emotions and negative thoughts will not implant your subconscious mind with the wrong seeds. So plant the right seeds and let go of the other things that are negative. Pull yourself back in the present moment. Do not let yourself linger in negative thoughts of the past. All you have to do is realize that the past is the past. You don't need to go back there and think about what you should have done, maybe what you should have not done. The things you see in your reality that you don't like are results from the past. So all you need to do is forget about the past, leave it there, and even forget about the results of the past, which are what you see right now. The only thing you need to do is not pay so much importance to what you see with your eyes, what you sense right now, but more importantly, you should cultivate right here, right now, what is inside. Because what is inside will plant the seed right now for the future. So cultivate from inside and the results will follow suit.